see. Fire. Ah, look. Let me see.
Wait, Larry, can you talk to my phone?
Fireworks. What are they? I keep shooting up in the air over there. Ah!
Is that an ice cream truck?
An ice cream truck? Woo! Or maybe there's a sign up glow sticks.
The ice cream truck over there. Oh, there's probably...
Why ice cream truck at night?
I don't know.
Wouldn't it be cold?
Probably... Chinese lanterns!
Oh.
They're sending them nothing! They want their land van!
Oh god. This is all. Oh no, it's done. Oh, the coating's so hard on the swings. Coating's kind of hard on the swings. I'll just fly over there. If we fly back, I'd probably capture the whole entire show. All the fireworks. Why do they always do it at the lake? I'm just wondering. Probably because a lot of people know the lake is.
Mom! My chair's over there! What? Did you bring it by you? My chair! Over there!
Fire. Not much fireworks are going. Oh, there's one. Adventure who's the best. For me, there's a lot of